Yo, so guys, what is up? So we are gonna be doing a gameplay of Escape the iPhone X obby. So before we get started into this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So in 3, 2, 1, let's get started. So it's starting Roblox. So this is my first gameplay. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So let's get started. So I am on my MacBook and it is really fast. This obby is kind of cool. It has Snapchat. Temple Run. Lol. So I also have a special shout out to someone named obby. He has a YouTube channel, so be sure to check it out. It's pretty cool. He has 15 subscribers, so be sure to subscribe to him as well. Oh damn it! Oh dang! I died. I forgot to start from the checkpoint. Oh shit, mate. Man, this is so hard because I never played an obby in like a long time. It seems easy for you guys, but for me it's kind of hard. So it's the emoji. Thanks. Yes, I did it. Now it's gonna be the basketball ones. Oh dang it. Oh shoot, I forgot again. Sorry about that, guys. I promise I'll do it clear this time. So guys, I will be stopping here for now. And as always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So see ya in the next video. So peace out.